next weekend, and I really need to prepare for it. And so maybe we'll do a little co-working stream so that we can be together but also working. I've got to like fold some note cards and stuff. You're down, yo? Bless. How about this duck? It's pretty cool. On Tuesday or Thursday, I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided just yet. What about this beaut? What about this beauty? I like this one because the pose is kind of funky. Oh, I lost her. Come back. Hello? Where'd she go? There she is. What a messy little cutie. Presh. Maybe I could do a pair. Like a female in one blob and then, oh sorry, that's definitely a dead bird. I apologize. That's why I never look at things on stream. That's why I never do. Could do like a male on the other one though. She looks so soft. Let's just sketch her first and then see how we feel. Also, this overlay, it's too much green. I gotta change it. It's too much green. Everything's green. I want to have a cool overlay like Danny, and I suck at making them. Love their bill. Yes. Me too. Me too. How can there be too much green? I know. It is too much green, though. It just is. Okay. Dude, let me make you- okay, make me one, Danny. Make me one. 2 females with the tag first outing. Okay, I love that, actually. Aw, I'm sorry, Jewel. That sucks. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Yeah, make one for me, Danny. Can I request that the birds don't have veins, though?
Watch out!
Just the least veiny birds you can do. Never mind, I'm busy. Painless verbs, please. Oh my god. Okay, I think the female should go on this one. Oh, hello. Alright, let's see. Maybe like... I'm also considering that I will like scan these in and have them available at my the show. Boneless, veinless wings, exactly. Okay, I put my kneaded eraser back in its little cubby hole like too well, and now it's stuck in there. Sorry, the market. It's not really a show. I just keep using that word accidentally. Like, well, some markets are markets and some are art shows, you know. Yeah, I'm doing a reality show. It's called, You Won't Believe It. You know? Golly, Bill, this is really stuck in there. I'm gonna be on Big Brother! You knew it. Juge. Nice potato drawings. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate that. It means a lot coming from an artist that I respect. MTV's Nests, a remake of Cribs. This is the best art I've ever seen. Ew. Compliments. Gross. Don't make it weird. Can't help it. The weakest link. So cute. It is funny to me when I upset Mark with my fringe